Hello everyone, this is Rita from Feida. Look at this laminating machine. It's a fully automatic laminating machine.
The hydraulic pressure system delivers strong and even pressure. Automatic sheet separation reduces manual work. Smooth and continuous feeding improves productivity. Laminating speed reaches up to 8 meters per minute. Ideal for book covers, menus, brochures, posters, photos, and more.
Details of this machine will come to contact us. Thank you. Goodbye.